Welcome. How are you doing? My name is Luma Pollard, and if you would like to know what I do, well, guess what? I do a business from my home. If you're interested, just keep watching. Well, like I said, my name is Luma Pollard, and I am actually an paparazzi independent consultant. So, just in case if you would like to see more about me, you guys can actually look me up on Facebook, which it is actually under Luma's Jewelry Boutique. And guess what? I do have a actual Instagram account, which is under the same name, under Luma's Jewelry Boutique. Let me just tell you a little bit about how I came with paparazzi. But first of all, let me just give you a little bit of background. Well, I have to tell you, I'm not one of those that actually I started doing paparazzi because I kind of like, I'm like, okay, with jewelry, it is, I like it, but it's not that much. Well, guess what? To tell you, I love jewelry. Yes, I do. Since I remember, jewelry has been part of my life. It is just been amazing. It is, it just even came before makeup in my life. So, as a little girl, I will always be wearing jewelry all the time. Even family members, they knew me that that I was the one with the jewelry because I will be wearing jewelry on my arms, on my neck. It's just like anything that I can do for jewelry, right? So, through the years, of course, I have accumulated a huge collection of jewelry, and I'm talking about several different brands. This was right before, way before timing when paparazzi. Just in case if you didn't know, paparazzi actually it's going to have their 10th anniversary, 2021. So hey, I'm telling you, long time before then, I've been wearing jewelry. So my passion for jewelry, it has been for the longest since I remember. So as I was, making my collection of jewelry, and always, I mean, I can tell you, I will go to the stores and then that you will find me there. You would literally find me in the section where they have the jewelry because I just love jewelry. I just love the what can jewelry make you, like just make that final touch in your whole outfit. It is just like that, just to put the knot on your own whole entire outfit. So that's what I love about it. But as the years has progressed, and then of course I was working in a full-time job, and then I didn't know exactly what to do. I was not sure exactly what I wanted to do, but then I quit my job, and then not with probably like after a month of that, I got so excited when somebody told me about this jewelry, paparazzi. First of all, I couldn't believe it because guess what? It is just only $5. Did you hear that? Yes. Only $5 plus tax. Yes, only $5 plus tax. This right here, which actually it has the comes with complimentary pair of earrings, it's just only $5 plus tax. Isn't that amazing? Well, yes, it is. Well, oh, let me tell you too. It is actually lead and nickel free, just in case if you didn't know. But okay, let me tell you. Once they told me about that, and first of all, I couldn't believe it. And then once I started looking at the jewelry, I was like, oh my goodness, look at this. Look at the quality, which I was completely shocked myself of the quality. I tell you, like I have a history of using and wearing jewelry from all kinds of different brands. I'm gonna tell you, even different prices, brand, costume, real, and all of that kind of stuff. So once I saw paparazzi jewelry, I'm telling you, I was completely shocked, and I got so hooked that I started watching my personal sponsor every single week. So she goes lives every week. So I will be like, hello. I'll be like, nobody talk to me. I'm dropping everything because I'm just watching her go live. That's how much I would watch. I love Jory, because I will watch her from the beginning all the way till the end. And I'm telling you, I will know her pieces. I will just be like on top of it. And I'm telling you, it is just amazing. So as time has gone, pretty much, every week I was kind of like spending some. And I can tell you that was more than $40, more than $50 every week spending on jewelry. So pretty much, pretty quick, I could have hey, just spend that on my starter kit. But I was not I was not ready for it. So as I was keep purchasing, and actually she did talk to me about the opportunity, including even hosting a party. But then I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. But hey, I keep shopping. I continue shopping. I will continue shopping her lives. I will continue shopping her wardrobes. Then, of course, she went to convention, which that was in towards the end of July. But as she was on convention, oh my goodness, I was looking at those pieces at convention, like the C pieces that they were coming out with. I was like, oh, my heart was just jumping. I'm telling you, my heart was just like, oh my goodness, I wish I could have that piece right there. And, just like I could touch it. So I got so excited, and, I just kept watching her going live every day at convention. So what I did, like towards the last day of convention, I was like, you know what? And you know what? But this is the other thing. My family were actually telling me, like, hey, that is something that you should definitely do. You should definitely, go ahead and do it. I mean, you like jewelry. We know you that you just love jewelry. So you definitely should be doing that. So then I was like, yeah, I'm not sure, I'm not sure. But they kept insisting. So, well, guess what? Towards the last day of convention, guess what? I call her and then I said, hey, you know what? I'm thinking about it and I'm thinking about doing it. So she's like, oh, okay, let me send you the link. So I went ahead, got the link and then like look at the kids because I didn't even look at the kids prior to that. So let me look at the kid and I'm like, which one should I get? I'm not sure. But then I'm like, you know what? It's almost towards midnight. So I'm like, let me just not bother her, even though that we had a different in times because she was in Vegas. But then I'm like, which one should I do? So I start looking at it and then I'm thinking, well, Luma, let's see. Let's ask this question. Are you going to do this for a discount or are you going to do it for a business? Well, guess what? I was like, no, I am definitely doing this for a business. So what's it going to be the best? Well, I know we have, there's 3 starter kits. So let me see what this have. So, of course, I started looking at the starter kits and of course, the smaller one, it has just, has a smaller version of smaller pieces. But then I'm like, huh, which one should I do? And I kept thinking, I can tell you, what did I do too? I even Google. Because, hey, I'm telling you, isn't that Google our best friend? Yes, it is. But then I start looking, and then I'm like, okay, the smaller one is just only $99, and it only comes with 35 pieces. I'm like, I'm not sure about that. Let me see. No, I'm gonna need more than that, right? Because I just love jewelry. So then I'm like, the next one it's $2.99, and it comes with 120 pieces. I'm like, okay. Pretty much they have like other same items for you to start the business, but then of course then I'm like I saw the bigger one. I'm like, okay, what does that have? So then I saw it was $4.99 and it comes with 200 pieces. I'm like, what? 200 pieces? That's a lot. I'm like, that is just amazing. All of the pieces I can see. But of course, on these pieces, you actually do not get to choose which one you want. So you're just pretty much, they send you a variety of selections so then you can see the different metals that you will see and, colors, shapes, and all of that kind of stuff. So that is the good thing about it. So I'm like, and then I'm like, what else do I get? And then I'm like, oh, I get that convention ticket. I'm like, what? I'm like, yes. I'm like, I'm like, I like that because I know for a fact already that I'm going to convention. That is one thing I knew already. I'm like, I am going next year. I'm going to convention. So then I'm like, nope. Which one I'm getting? I am getting the bigger one. So that's what I did. I started with the larger. I'm like, let's just start this business because hey, we are investing already in our future. We are already investing in our business. So, hey, some businesses you have to put a lot of money at the entrance. Well, guess what? This one, nope. I just only started, with $500, a little bit over because taxes and of course shipping. But hey, just like that, I'm starting already with my business. And then guess what? By me signing up already, I can already start shopping 275 because we have an amazing 45% commission. But let me tell you, one of the things is that, of course, after I sign up, then I'm like, oh, let's start this. But pretty much I already started going live. But another thing is like, let me tell you, is the fact that the reason why I started, it's because I'm a single mom And I wanted to make sure that I was here home for my daughter, that I was able to be here for her, that the fact that I didn't have to go to my from my full time job, then go to a part time job. Which, hey, guess what? That's gonna take me time to drive over there, spend the time there, and then drive back home. That's gonna be extra time. So barely I am not going to have any time with my daughter. And then, of course, I wanted to make sure that I am here for her in either field trips or either something going on at her school or anything like that. That is definitely going to give me the time that I can be with her, because I want to make sure that I am not an absent parent. No, I want to be there for her. So just the fact that I can be there for her, that is my number one priority. That I can definitely do things. And then, of course, the fact that I can do this business from anywhere, anywhere. You can do this from anywhere. That is just amazing. The fact that you can do this business from anywhere. You can, sell from a website, which we have a free website. Isn't that amazing? Because I can tell you, in the past, I have done other companies, and just for the website, you have a monthly fee. With us, you don't. You don't have a monthly fee. So that's one of the things that I do love. Another one, right? Because there are just so many things that I love about, and then of course the sisterhood that we have, knowing that we are a lot of we are a lot of girls in our team that we are doing this, but guess what? We encourage and we motivate each other into this. Every day we are so connected, and we could be like miles and miles and miles away, but guess what? We're still here together. We are still connected every single day. And just, cherishing, everyone, just giving ideas to others so then they can, implement and all of that kind of stuff. So that's another thing that I do. It's the fact of that sisterhood, which I can tell you I have not seen anywhere else, either in other places that I've been. That is pretty big. But just the fact that I can do this from home anytime I want. I can do my own schedule. It is amazing. I put my own schedule. I'm my own boss. Did I say that? Yes, I'm my own boss. So I decide what to do, how to do it, and when to do it. hmm Nobody's going to tell me what to do on that. It's like the fact that I can make the decision of how do I want to do it, when, and what. And it is all depends up to me either how much money and how much income do I want to get. Yep, because remember, the more you work, the more you do, the more you're going to get. Because if it's not, guess what? You don't do the work, you're not going to see it. But just the fact that I could be here, be in home and work from home, it is an amazing plus. So I would say this goes for anyone out there. Anyone out there can do this. Even if you're a man, guess what? Even we have men here. We have men doing selling paparazzi as their husbands doing this too. So it is a teamwork that it is doing this together. But guess what? Even if you don't speak English, we have consultants that they do Spanish too. So hey, we even have consultants that they do sign language, just in case if you didn't know. So there's a lot of here. There's a lot of potential. And if you think that this is a saturated market, it's not. I'm telling you, there's still a lot of people. A lot of people that they don't even know about paparazzi. Just like me. Just like me when I got introduced to the business, when I got introduced to the jewelry. I did not know nothing about it. And like I said, next year is going to be the 10th year anniversary. So if you have any questions or there's anything that that you might have a question, just go ahead and ask the question here. I will come back and answer it for you. But like I said, you guys can find me on my business page on Facebook, which is under Luma's Jewelry Boutique, and on Instagram too. You guys can find me there. But any questions, or if you would like to definitely join, let me know, because it would definitely be my pleasure to be able to help you here. Because yes, I do have a team under me, and I will be so blessed to be able to help you in this amazing journey, because we all have aspirations. We all have dreams that we would like to make them become true, don't they? So let me help you. Let me help you on this journey. Let me help you in these over 2 years that I have learned in my journey in paparazzi. amazing things that I have learned, things that I have grown that I am just so thankful for. So if you're interested, go ahead, send me a message, or you can just like literally pretty much just make a comment here and I will definitely come back here. But or reach out to me, or you guys can even find me, um, like I said, on Instagram, Facebook, or even on Facebook personal page, which is under Luma Pollard. Last name it's Pollard. But like I said, it will definitely be my blessing be able to help you. So I hope you guys have a great day, and don't think too much. There's an opportunity here that don't miss out on it. Okay.